Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the broil tube and orifice assembly in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 2 screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Unthread the 3 screws to release the left side stop bracket. Repeat to detach the right side bracket. Now lift the upper rear access panel up to remove. Use a 9/16 inch wrench and a 5/8 inch wrench to unthread the nut from the broil tube orifice fitting. Open the oven door and remove the racks. Now unthread the screws securing the broil tube and orifice assembly mounting plate. With the screws unthreaded, you can pull the old assembly free. Install the new broil tube and orifice assembly by inserting the fitting through the hole in the rear of the oven, then position the orifice into the broil burner tube. Secure the mounting plate with the screws. Insert the broil supply tube into the fitting and secure it with the nut. Be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening the nut. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by hooking it on the tabs. Realign the 2 stop brackets and thread the screws to hold them in place. Reinstall the lower access panel by inserting the tabs in the slots first. Lower the panel and secure it with the screws. Slide the oven racks into place. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.